I've already done the assignment on EasyBib, so you know how a works cited is created. But let's go through this again for this assignment. First, I'm going to create a citation list. I know this should have been read. Once again, they didn't ask me, but I've come to my citations list. I'm going to create a new list, and I'm going to title it the title that I have for the meme essay. Well, that's as good as any, and I'm going to create the list. Now, every time I click on this, any research that I add to this will go to the right place. It's not just going to run around somewhere for me to try to find. It's going to go on the correct list. Now it's empty, and I'm going to create a citation. I'm going to create that citation because I'm going to start by researching my generation. Typed in fun facts about baby boomers. Let's scroll through these and see something that's got some interesting facts. Okay, so let's just go to this one. Now, as you can see, I've opened this website, and if I open it, I need to cite it. End of story. You'll never see my name on a plagiarism list because if I opened it and I looked at it, I will add it to my list, and it's so simple. We're just going to copy this. Let's look real quick to see if there's an author. Did somebody write this, or is it website content? Anybody wrote this? Doesn't look like it, does it? Okay, doesn't matter. Let's go over here to our EasyBib list, the citation, paste that URL right there, search, let it find it, and it found it immediately. Cite that, and it's going to add it over here. Now we need to look at this and make sure that it looks correct. Looks good. Okay, and I'm going to repeat this process while I research my paper. I want to find some interesting facts that I can cite. Let's find one more together. I'm kind of thinking about my generation, and I decided that I think it's kind of fun to look at my generation from the standpoint of being impatient, not willing to wait for things. It was kind of, this one kind of is interesting. So let's look at this one. I may actually be able to use some of those facts that they show here, and I won't go into that because we're looking at how to cite these. So let's go over here. We're just going to cite this, copy, go back over to our EasyBib page. We see our first one, create the citation, paste it in here, let it find it, and cite that, and there it is. Now, at the end of the assignment, when I'm all through and I have collected all of my things, including the interview, let's look at that interview real quick. I click create a citation, and see this little drop-down menu. These are all the types of citations that there are, including Bible and all kinds of things. I'm going to go down here to interview because I will be interviewing two of my friends, and I'll give this a title. So I'm going to mark this as a personal interview, and I either did it by phone, by email, by web, in person. Now the type of contributors. I was the interviewer, so I add my name there. Now I'm going to add another contributor. Add the names of the interviewees, the people that I interviewed. Second person, I simply add another citation, and then I add that would be another interviewee. Now, once I finish, let's just do that one. All interviews done, I complete the citation, and there it is. See how pretty that looks? Why is it missing all that information? Hold on. It's going to show at all for whatever reason, but that's fine. It's still MLA. So when I get ready to add this to my document, I'm going to export all. Now I have a choice to make, either a Word or Google Docs. I usually go with Word because I'm going to be pasting it into a Word document. So I'm going to click this, export, and you see where it downloads right there. I click that, and it opens up and it's all beautifully organized. I'm going to enable editing. Okay. I'm going to make sure everything is correct about this. Good, 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 good. Now here, I could go in and I can add in those names of the people. See how I did that? I don't have to, but I can. Now it's all set and ready to go. And that is how you create the works cited for your meme essay.